Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Trust Wallet how to send USDT. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to send USDT, which is further for Trust Wallet, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up a Trust Wallet app. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on this search icon on the top right corner of your screen. And once you're inside here, simply search for USDT on the search bar. And then once you have selected the token, all you gotta do is tap on send on the bottom left corner of the screen. Then simply enter in the domain name or the wallet name, and then enter in the amount, and then simply tap on next. And once done, review the network fee. And lastly, confirm and send by simply tapping on next on the bottom by reviewing details, and then confirm the transaction will broadcast, and you will see the transaction on your history tab. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.